Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. And let me introduce to you our company. GFE Solutions has been delivering top-notch engineering services to the European market for almost 5 years, and we continuously strive to provide our clients with the most cutting-edge solutions. We provide engineering support services, remote, at your site and at your client's sites. Working with us, you will be able to cover your needs in different areas of mechanical engineering. From mechanical and electrical engineering to software development and project management. By choosing GFE, you can be confident in the success of the project, as we closely cooperate with our clients throughout the engineering process and keep them informed of all stages of the project and discuss all possible changes. Our head office is in Warsaw. We are 42 highly qualified engineers and hiring constantly. All our engineers are fluent in English, some additionally speak German, and considering we also implemented a cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, language is not an issue at all when working with us. If you want to continue your engineering faster and cheaper, here's how this is possible. We offer exclusive, project-based and mixed contracts. You can hire us per project, or you can book a permanent capacity and have exclusive engineers work full-time only for you. In this case, we will only ask you for a 2-month response period. Each time you will want to either increase or decrease number of your engineers. You are bound by limitations, employment laws, labor unions. We are not hired as B2B. We work on weekends, holidays. So not only will we always do your tasks faster, but also cheaper. We are an East European company. As for the software we're working in, for your convenience, we are always ready to use your software to give an identical product. To do this, we are constantly investing in a team that understands different software. It's possible to match a person with the relevant knowledge to a specific project. Want our service risk-free and stressless? We will start as no satisfaction, no pay. Not yet ready or still hesitating. We will do your test tasks, now and free of charge, can be your old projects, only to check our quality, so that you hire us convinced when the time comes. So don't waste your time, let's start cooperating right now.